Hey everybody, welcome back, and thank you for joining me here on the Print 3D channel. We just finished printing up all the PLA parts for the OpenRCF1 project, and we're moving on to those flexible tires. We've got all the parts here laid out on the workbench, and we're going to start assembly. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the printing and tell you about how we're going to go about printing out those tires. So as you can see, we've printed out all the parts that are in PLA for the OpenRCF1 project. We did have a little minor issues with the rims, and it did take us a little bit of time to actually print those out. All the other parts turned out great. I've just got a little bit of cleanup. All these little small parts turned out amazing. Everything looks really, really good, and I'm really happy with the results. This MatterHackers Pro PLA in the color pearl blue and gray are the perfect choice for our OpenRCF1 car. And I'm really anxious to get started on this. But the first thing we need to do is print out those tires. For that, we're going to use some experimental filament I picked up at CES. And it's from a company called gCreate. And they also go under the name of Weistech over on Banggood or AliExpress. And you can find some of their filaments up there. A lot of it is only available by bulk at this moment because they haven't really secured a US distributor. And I've gone down the rabbit hole, and I really think that they are on their way to being a really good filament distributor here in the US. Because I have to tell you, I printed with some of their new flexible material without a heated bed, and even though I stopped the print and I didn't let it cool off in time, so it kind of separated out, this filament works really, really good, and I'm really happy with it. And I can't wait to print the tires in their entirety. But I just wanted to run a test to see if I could actually print these tires using a non-heated bed 3D printer. We didn't use any glue stick or any Kapton tape or even painter's tape. We printed directly on the sanded acrylic bed that's on the gMax 1.5 XT Plus, and it actually stuck. And it was printing just fine. But I wanted to cancel the print because I wanted to continue printing on prints for the 3DP 365 project and not stop doing that. But we're also going to continue working on the OpenRCF1 project as a separate set of videos. So you'll be seeing those released every couple of days as we get more parts in. I've ordered the bearings. They should be in today, actually. And then over the weekend, we're probably going to pick up some of the RC parts that we need, the electronics and such, so we can really put this together completely. And like I said, I'm really happy with the printing results. Everything we see here on the table printed out pretty awesome, and I'm really happy with this MatterHackers Pro PLA. And my gMax did such a stellar job on all these little parts, and even the larger parts that printed in standing up, and some of them had a lot of support material. It really did a great job, and I'm super happy with my gMax. But for today, I just wanted to give you guys a quick wrap up and show you where we are in our assembly process. We have most of the screws and bolts. I may have to dig into the toolbox to get a few extras because the hobby store didn't have everything I needed. We have all of our parts printed, and we're going to start printing these rubber tires with some experimental filament. So like I said, we are going to do constant updates on the OpenRCF1 project until it's done and we're outside racing with this. And we have to kind of hurry because I live in Las Vegas, and pretty soon it's going to get a little bit too hot to even race outside. Temperatures reach over 100 degrees here, and that'll definitely melt this PLA. So as we continue assembling the OpenRCF1 project, I'll keep you guys updated up on social media, and we'll post up new videos of the assembly process as we finish. And of course, we're going to keep printing on the 3DP 365 project, so I'll keep up with releasing a new video every day of a fresh print. So thank you for joining me for this quick update on the OpenRCF1 project. I'll keep you guys updated up on social media, and you'll see video releases from the channel as we continue our build. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share those videos, and I'll see you in the next episode.